Your Local on the 8s is next, Sundays at 9 Eastern. A fascinating new series only from the Weather Channel, when weather changed history.
Currently in our area, 73 degrees under cloudy skies. A lake wind advisory is in effect for our area. Here's our local Doppler radar. Today, scattered thunderstorms. A few storms may be severe. High 82. Winds south at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of rain 40%. For tonight, thunderstorms likely. A few storms may be severe. Low 63. Winds south-southwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of rain 80%. On Saturday, windy with morning showers. High 64. Chance of rain 30%. Here's our 7-day outlook. Incidents and construction impacting our area.